Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account from which you want to just turn off your professional mode. So then head over to the three lines on the upper right corner. Then head over to your profile. And once you are in your profile, here you will find the three dots icon on the beside of edit profile option. So head over to it. And there comes a list of settings that you might want to change. From here, we just want to turn off our professional mode. So if you have already turned on your professional mode, this sort of thing will appear. And currently I didn't have turned on my professional mode, so all I need to do is turn it on from here. And if I want to turn it off, the procedure is same. I have to head over to my profile and go to the three dots icon again, and there will be this option right here, and click on it, and just a profile will be turned off on the professional mode again. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.